Welcome to Roman 3's Strategies for Accessible Learning Tool, also known as SALT. SALT is a free learning test that helps to narrow down how you prefer to learn by providing simple and practical strategies that will improve the way you learn online. SALT is broken into 4 quizzes that assess your preferences at different parts of the learning process. Quiz 1 assesses how you prefer to take in new information. Quiz 2 assesses how you prefer to process and work through the information. Quiz 3 assesses how you connect and organize the information. And Quiz 4 assesses how you apply the new information. In an ideal world, all online courses would be built to incorporate all of these stages and preferences, but sadly, that is not always the case. However, by using SALT, you can identify and plan your online learning experience with strategies that will help you get the most out of your online learning.